Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing sticker animation on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and find the sticker that you want. For instance, this sun, just add it to your timeline. Then go to effects and search for color, and then you're going to select the color negative. I think it's under nightclub. Add it on top like so. You can change the colors here as well. Actually, that's the intensity, so just leave it and then just select everything, right click, create compound clip, and that's it. You have this color changing sticker on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!